The Hotel and Hospitality Management degree is essentially a business management degree, but it's set within the context of the hospitality industry. Practical skills within the industry are much in demand, so the collaboration we have with Celtic Manor is of real benefit to students. It's the only course in the UK that is run in conjunction with a 5-star resort.
We have built with USW a degree course that basically makes every graduate industry ready.
The best part of the course so far is getting the experience to work in a luxury 5-star resort.
We get to have first-hand experience of doing the job along with the theory that we get from the classroom.
So when the students are with us at the Celtic Manor Resort, which comprises 50% of their degree credits, they have exposure to every area of the business. From front of house, such as food and beverage, our reception desks, housekeeping departments, but also they get a real insight into what happens back of house. So they get to visit places like the finance teams, HR, sales and revenue, and so forth. So it really is a full 360 look at running a business of this nature.
I enjoyed the food and beverage department the most because of the fast-paced environment. It's really helped me interact with guests a lot better and build my confidence.
I always wanted to be a F&B director in front of house, so after doing my work-based learning, I realized there is more into it. This course helps me develop all the industrial skills that I need to reach the top of my game.
Anybody thinking of a career in hospitality really needs to understand that in a management role, the best managers are those who have really learned from the ground up. It gives them an understanding of what their teams may face from day to day, and therefore build in a far more empathetic leadership and management approach. This degree gives them that.